Hello everybody, it's Adrian here. I'm back at it again with another speed painting video. This time I wanted to depict something that I missed on a walk because I was not carrying my phone with me. So I couldn't capture this beautiful, gorgeous, epic landscape that I witnessed at, it wasn't sunset time yet, but it was close to it. And anyway, I wanted to kind of memorize it and rush home to paint this gorgeous landscape, like I said. So this video is mostly about the process, but I didn't take it like too seriously. I wasn't attempting to paint something mega tight or anything like that. So I took it easy with this grayscale pass first, just blocking in some values and especially focusing on that peak over there, up there. And boy, those clouds, they were just so puffy. Like when I say puffy, I mean mega puffy. All right, they were just cotton candy almost. So that paired with the blue sky and the nice tones in that valley over there, which by the way had some let's say red spots here and there, which is something that I try to memorize too. Like I was actively paying attention and almost like saying it out loud, you know, like, all right, there's a red spot there and some hue variation over there. All right, yeah, I'll memorize this. Of course, needless to say, I couldn't just teleport back home, so it took me quite a while to get home and finally start painting. But I was like, you know, I was approaching this as like a round brush challenge. I was trying to impose some limitations on myself for this one, so I stayed with the hard round brush or the soft round brush, which you'll see me switching to every now and then. That paired with some brush modes such as, you know, color dodge, overlay, multiply, and all that stuff ended up resulting in this painting that you see right now. So yeah, that was me just trying some those kind of filters, you know, in case I get something better, but it wasn't the case. So instead I tried to fix the values a little bit. I noticed everything was equally just as bright, so I was trying to make the difference between the sky and the land a little more obvious. Here I am implementing some of those nice effects on the atmospheric perspective. And as you can see, I'm not really bothering too much on detailing every single tree, which is something that I used to do a lot as a beginner. But now I'm just keeping it loose and big picture kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye-bye.